We're outside the door to my room, so let's just go in. And then the first thing you see is the room. Cool. So this is the overview pan of my room, and let's just get into the sections. Yay! Okay, it's kind of messy in some areas, so I'm sorry about that. For you. Here is my door. It's bright pink. I designed this room, I think maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and the theme is blue walls because I wanted to feel calm whenever I enter my room. I wanted it to feel like a beach home, sort of. That's why I have these like planks, those white wooden planks, and then the gray beach vibes. Like that was what I was into. I mean, I still really like the look and feel to it. This print I have is from a magazine. Moving on to this wall, I just have a lot of prints like stuck up. This is from a magazine. I have some quotes. This is from a pen pal, Andrea. I stuck it on here because it's very calming. I really like waves. And here we have some fruit paintings that I did. My favorite has got to be the coconut. I haven't painted in a really long time. And then when you go down here, it's just a mess. Oh, this is a painting my sister gave me for my birthday. It's of my Donald Duck stuffed toy. I just put it there, and yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. I love my what do you call this? My closet roller thingy. It's just a laminated wood type of finish, but I think it's very clean looking. And inside my closet is just so this is my sister's bed. I share a room with my sister. This is my bed, of course. Ducks, penguins, random stuff. This is my sister's cajon, like here. And I sometimes like use that as a table whenever I film some journal with me. A tripod. This is just from Lazada. And then this is my sister's corner. She has a Perry the platypus. Chum chum. Just so you know, we sleep in the same room to cut costs on the air conditioning at night. But she has all of her other stuff in the room next to me. So yeah, don't think that I'm just like hogging all of the space in this room. We just sleep in the same room, but she has her own space. This place is super boring. I didn't even clean it up. I'm sorry. And I keep some of my books in here. Yeah, it's just messy, guys. Like all of the John Green, Divergent. Of course, I have my 1D book, Perks of Being a Wallflower. Up in here, sorry, it's a bit dusty. I have some Sophie Kinsella, my Rookie yearbooks. I freaking love Rookie. Blind Assassin, a book I had to read for school. This is a funny book. This is our water that I drink every day, every night, and the cap of this started to kalawang. It started to rust, so my dad made this freaking weird thing. Let's just put Dolan on top of it to make it look cuter. This is my cute mug. I just got it. It's from Mumuso. Some lotion, and then it's just a mess in the back, but you put stuffed toys there too. This is the view out my window. It's just our backyard. And then aircon. This is my bed. I have my fake Mang plush. It only has one ear, only on this side. I got this plush from a subscriber, Lando, my Donald Duck Chum Chum, the bigger one. His name's Lando. I love my B-Duck sheets. My mom got it for me from Hong Kong, but I freaking love it. I mean, I look like a child, but I love it. And here's Donnie D. Hey, Donnie. I freaking love him. I love hugging him. And then at the back, I just have a lot of like other plushes just hidden there. Perry the platypus in a bunny costume. Stuck some stickers. And then at the back, I have my laptop thing, like my laptop lap putter when I wanna watch stuff on the bed, because it's really bad to put your laptop directly on like sheets just because your laptop wouldn't or couldn't or can't breathe. I'm getting so tired because it's so hot. Here I have some random prints. I have this built-in shelf cabinet thing, and when we were like designing this room, the interior designer asked me if I wanted to close it off or have it open, and I was like, close it off, because inside, not gonna lie, it's a freaking mess. I don't even know. And then down here. It's just some shoes and some more books that's not even organized. These are my favorites actually. Siddhartha, Secret History. Okay, I'm so tired, but we're getting there. We're here in this mess. Let us start from top to bottom. Okay, pinhole camera that I've never used, penguin bookend, and then I have some books. I love this book, Dare to Lead. I recommend it. It's very inspiring. And I have behind, this guy's name is Sheketh, coined from this Taylor Swift song Shake It Off. And then I just have some boxes of Funko Pops and other BT21 stuff. I just keep it there. Okay, this is my favorite shelf. I love this shelf so much. It is so cute. So at the back, I have a lot of old Polaroids. I don't really take much Polaroids anymore, but they were a thing when I was in high school and college. Here are some of my Donald Duck Chum Chums. Honestly, really cute. My favorites are the ones wherein Donald is in costume. So this one's in a pig, this one's in a rooster, this one is Daisy Duck actually. Sleeping Dolan, Winky Dolan, Angry Dolan. I love them, my Dolans. I have random Donald Duck trinkets. And then here we have my small crystal collection. I haven't purchased any in such a long time. This has been with me for the longest time ever, like 3 years, I feel like. Random little thing. And then I have some W Dress Room colognes. They actually smell really good. I have one in grapefruit and this one is in rain. The Jungkook one, the cotton one, is in my office. And then I have this pretty Chloe box, a custom perfume I made in Korea, and One Direction's Our Moment, of course. Cool little print at the back and more Polaroids at the back. This is my humble Funko Pop collection. They're all sponsored by my sister because she is a Funko-natic. She got me 11 from Stranger Things. Donald Duck, of course. I feel like the Donald Duck's kind of scary sometimes because of how big the eyes are. And I have Suga and Jungkookie. And then when you go down here, we have a little Harry Styles area, my concert ticket, or the concert ticket sleeve, my album, and then the sunflower. And then I have a little human thingy. I got that, I think National maybe. Some more duck trinkets. This is a set my dad gave me. It's from Korea. It's for when couples get married, but he gave them to me for some reason. I have a Statue of Liberty rubber duck from Jewel when she went to New York. Yeah, just random little ducks. We're moving on to my desk. I actually recently moved my desk. It used to be here. I just exchanged the furniture because I wanted a corner for my items and I feel like it looks a lot more cozy. I guess let's start with some prints action. Okay. These are freebies from a Twitter store, Soul Stop, when I bought something. And then a cute little photo of me and Jewel. Glossier prints. Random prints. This is from a subscriber. These are all fake photo cards. I bought them off of Shopee. I have a little thingy for my Anytime Fitness keychain. A painting. Okay, this doesn't really make sense right now. It's supposed to say Nadine Felice, but yeah, I don't know where my letters are. I have my boys, a Seoul Starbucks card from my mom. I just stole it from my mom. I saw it and I was like, okay, Seoul, Korea, yes. This one, of course, is for my sister, and this is also for my sister. She made a little Mang figurine, and I have some Jungkookie photo cards and Polaroids. I only have 2 CDs as of now. I have the BTS World one and Young Forever. And this is actually a really cool and awesome purchase. It looks like the Muji drawers, but I only got it from Robinsons and it was 500. I'm putting all of my stationery stuff in here. This diffuser doesn't work anymore. It's from Miniso, so don't buy it. Yeah, all of my fun stuff are in here. My phone. What's up, phone? Look at my notifs. It's so embarrassing. Just BTS World and Weverse. Okay. And then I have, this is a power bank from Miniso. I freaking think it looks cool. It just says, let's roll. Rock and roll. And then I have a notebook for ideas. This is my speaker. I really like it because it's small and you can hang it. And I was watching a super old BTS video and Jungkook has this exact speaker. So yeah. This is my journal. I put some stickers on it. It's so cute. I got this from Japan or Korea, so I'm so sorry. I think the brand is called Edit because I got some questions asking where I got my journal from. Here I have Cookie and I have Pooping Dolan. I have some notebooks. This is so cute. It's from Mumaso. It's just astrology. I'm a Bible. NIV Bible for women. I have some notebooks. These fillers, they look like they're from Muji or whatever, but they're just from National. So cute. So let's just put it back. And yeah, just random stuff. This is my planner. I like it because it's undated, so I have to like put stuff on. This table is it's custom, but it's from SM North, the furniture section of SM North. I have some Glossier stickers, and inside of here, super messy. I'm just a messy gal, guys. And then, yeah, charging station, very messy. My chair that I stole from my mom. And here, we have my everyday bags. This is what I take to work. This is from Korea. It's just from a road shop, guys, so I don't really know the name. This is a bin that I got from H&M, and I just store some other bags that I like rotate through. And then my cool umbrella from Muji. It's big and functional. Awesome, we're done with that section. We're almost done. So here's the last section, I guess. Cool, awesome. All right, let's start from the top. This is my Saved by Grace. I literally just print the text and then cut them out from bond paper. This grid thing, wire grid, I got from my mom. She got it from 168 or Divisoria. She used to like participate in bazaars, and this is what they would use to hang stuff on. And since we had extra, I just got it from her. Okay, should we go through it? Are you guys into it? Okay, this is a film photo that I printed. It's from college, my last year in college. And speaking of college, I have to like change things up, but this is the only time I was Dean's List, so I just put it on there. Me in Siargao. Random prints. Random prints. I love it. So pretty. This is actually a print my professor gave me last day of our lecture. Glossier pouch. Some random chum chums. This is a drawing. It's Psyduck as chum chums. It's from my sister. A sticker from Worship Jan, some Dolan things. Moon painting I did years ago. And some sunnies and glasses. This is a print from Common Room from a subscriber. I made this crystal plastic from a BT21 store. My DE, or my mom's little sister, got that for me because she got me the Koya little keychain, and that's what it came in with, the tata. So cute. BTS World poster. It actually took up my Harry Styles poster space. I'm so sorry, Harry Styles, but I kept the poster. It's right there in Harry's little corner. PSJ and a painting I did. My fan. Alright, this one is like my vanity, not really. But this is where I store all of my makeup products and skincare. The furniture itself is also custom. It's from the same store in SM North. This is just some hair stuff, honestly. Random stuff. I have some cotton and yeah, just skincare stuff. My little hack, I used to just have my makeup like out and about, but I got makeup bags to put them in so that my table will look less cluttered. So this is all makeup and this is all skincare. I don't really close it. They're all in there. My makeup brushes and some random masks. This is my room! I'm so tired. I still really love my room. I love the setup. Now that I've interchanged it, it looks kind of messy, but it's like me. It's where I like to recharge and rest and just be myself. So I hope you enjoyed watching my little room tour. Yeah,